How to log in to JustMarkets application using your smartphone. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to access your JustMarkets trading account on your phone and you don't know how, then you can go ahead and launch or open the app first. And once you're inside this welcome screen, tap on the login button at the bottom. Once you do that, you'll be inside this login tab where you need to go ahead and enter your registered email address. Enter the same email address that you previously used while signing up for JustMarket. Now click the next button and on the next page, enter your correct password for your JustMarkets account. If you don't remember your password, you can tap the forgot password link at the bottom and follow through the reset process. Finally, after entering your password, click next. Now, every time you log into your account, you'll be asked to create a new PIN code. Go ahead and create one. Enter your PIN code once again, and you'll be able to log into your existing JustMarkets account. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to access your existing JustMarkets account on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.